In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a specific color in Photoshop quickly and accurately using a clean, professional method that keeps your image quality intact. This is perfect if you want to change the color of clothing, objects, backgrounds, or any specific element without affecting the rest of the image. The best part is that this method is completely non-destructive, so you can edit or adjust it anytime. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. We're going to start with the best method for most situations, and that's using a hue and saturation adjustment layer. First, go to the top menu and click on Layer, then choose New Adjustment Layer and select Hue and Saturation. A dialog box will pop up. Just click OK. You'll now see a new adjustment layer appear in your Layers panel, and the Properties panel will open automatically. By default, the adjustment is set to Master, which means it affects all colors in the image, but we don't want that. We want to target a specific color only. So inside the Properties panel, click on the drop-down menu that currently says Master. From here, you can choose a specific color range like reds, yellows, greens, cyans, blues, or magentas. If the color you want to change clearly falls into one of these categories, select it. For even more precision, you can use the Targeted Adjustment tool. This is the small hand icon in the Properties panel. Click on that icon, then move your cursor over the image and click directly on the exact color you want to change. Photoshop will automatically detect the color range and select the closest match. This gives you much more control, especially when the color isn't a perfect pure red, blue, or green. Now comes the fun part. To change the color, simply move the hue slider. As you drag it left or right, you'll see the selected color shift across the spectrum. This allows you to completely transform the color while keeping the original texture, shadows, and highlights intact. If the color looks too strong or too dull, adjust the saturation slider to increase or decrease intensity. And if the color appears too dark or too bright, fine-tune it using the Lightness slider. Sometimes you may notice that small areas you didn't intend to change are also being affected. This is easy to fix. Because we used an adjustment layer, it automatically comes with a layer mask. Click on the white mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Then select a soft round brush, set your foreground color to black, and gently paint over any areas where you want to hide the effect. Painting with black removes the adjustment from those areas, while painting with white brings it back. This gives you complete control and keeps everything looking natural. One of the biggest advantages of this method is that it is fully non-destructive. You're not permanently changing the original image. At any time, you can double-click the hue and saturation icon in the Layers panel to reopen the settings and adjust the color again. This makes it ideal for client work, product edits, and professional workflows. And that's it. That's how you change a specific color in Photoshop quickly and accurately using hue and saturation. Clean, flexible, and completely editable at any time. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.